Hello everyone, and welcome to my very first YouTube video ever. This is the Woodworking Apprentice, and I kind of want to give you a rundown on what it is that I would like my channel to do, and what it is I hope that you will be able to benefit out of it. So first off, I want to explain what the channel is not. So this channel is not designed to be a professional woodworker, a professional cabinet maker, a professional craftsman that comes out and kind of explains you the right way to do things. That's not what I am. I have a full-time job outside of this, so I am very much a hobbyist. I enjoy woodworking in my garage. So if you look around, you can see that it's my garage. This is the place where I've over time collected tools and developed my love for woodworking. So what I do want to do out of this channel, though, is I want to spend a little bit of time and walk people through the opportunities or the challenges that I've run into as I've gone through my journey of woodworking. So if there's any hobbyists out there, or anybody that's thinking, hey, I'd like to be able to build something for Christmas presents or birthday presents, or maybe just, spend a little love on a loved one, I want you to be able to take something away from this and be able to see that, hey, there is a way to do this. There's a way to work through, and just with common tools that are in your garage. You may have to buy some specialty tools, but for the most part, common tools, I'll be able to work with wood and be able to do something that really brings joy to either myself or that loved one that I'm giving this to. So, and that kind of brings me around to why I do this. I'll say that about 2 years ago, my wife bought me a build your own workbench kit. And I was like, okay, that'd be kind of cool. I need a good workbench, so I'll put forth the time and effort into it. And I went through it. I dedicated the time, and I learned a few techniques. And by the end of it, I was hooked. I was like, I love this. I love working with wood. I love going through this process. So one of the first projects that I want to get into this year is building a new and improved version of my workbench. So right now it's just kind of a standalone workbench. It's actually where the camera is sitting right now. But I want to build a full-size woodworker's workbench. So as we kind of travel through this journey, I want to be able to train through and say, hey, these are the things that I saw, these are the challenges that I ran into, and show those things out, and really hopefully communicate my passion for woodworking. I honestly have developed a joy and a love for the natural grain and the way that wood grows. And it's amazing to me that we've had this natural resource for years and years and years, and we've kind of lost some of we've kind of lost touch with some of the natural beauty that comes with wood. So kind of starting out, one of the things I want to do is I want to develop a couple of series and work through just simple projects. How I got started. I got started with making cutting boards for Christmas one year because I believe that I'd like to be able to invest the time and give an honest, good Christmas present to someone. So I dedicated some time and I made cutting boards. And then after that, I made more cutting boards, and then I made coasters, and then I made all these little projects that really helped me develop this love. And over about the past year, I've started making furniture. I've made a coffee table, made a couple of end tables, and I made some other just small furniture pieces for our home and for other people. And I've moved into the point where now I'm making furniture for others. So I want to be clear that this is not what I do full time. I have a job. I'm basically a safety and asset protection professional outside of this. So there will be times where I kind of revert into that, and I tell you about the safety precautions and the things you need to do. I think everybody can use a little refresher whenever it comes to safety sometimes. So I want to make sure that I offer that information as well. But when it comes right down to it, the overall goal is to spread this joy and this love for woodworking, and the natural beauty that comes with wood. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.